We human beings are born and grew up freely by the community. It is a fact that since the day we were born, we all have equality. We are free to decide on certain issues, to do or not to do them. We have a free choice to learn the positive, the right things, or even the bad ones. But we have a heavy responsibility for every job, because the independence of those who do not know how to use it can be abused. Our conscious identities implies the unity of subject for all processes, material and intellectual, so that the body and soul, spirit and matter from a single unity in a mysterious but undeniable whole, excluding an accidental dualism. This function builds on ourself as and is one of the most well-being words, because our life is our life. We are free. We are an extraordinary. We are an extraordinary.
An extraordinary.
An extraordinary.
An extraordinary. An extraordinary.
An extraordinary.
An extraordinary you. I am an extraordinary you. A human person is a living being that has a real and actual power that is capable of directing its own creation towards fullness through complete, unconditional, and limitless reality of love